Assets. A fixed asset is a long-term physical asset that a company owns and uses in its operation to generate income. These assets are not intended for resale and have a useful life of more than 1 year. Examples of fixed assets include buildings, land, machinery, equipment, vehicle, and furniture. You can create assets in Sage Business Cloud accounting software. You can create assets, asset categories, and asset locations. You can create assets from company, assets, add an asset. Enter description. You can select category, or if you want to add new category, by clicking add new category, you can add. You can select date purchased. Select location. If you want to add new location, by clicking add new location, you can add location. Enter serial number. Enter broad form. Enter purchase price. Enter replacement value. Enter current value. You can add user-defined fields. In addition to that, you can attach notes for this item. You can attach your purchase invoice or any warranty documents for the asset. After that, you can save. After you create assets, you can view list of assets. You can view asset description, category, location, date purchased, serial number, and broad form. If you want to customize this grid, you can click Settings button. Select Customize Grid, and you can choose columns you want to display in the grid. You can search items. You can sort by multi-columns. And you can export this list of assets to CSV file. You can maintain your asset register in Sage Business Cloud accounting software. However, system will not calculate depreciation automatically.